Hello guys, welcome back to Analyst Adda. So in this string class, we will discuss the methods of string. Okay, so what are the methods we are using in the string class? Okay, while writing the program. So one by one, we will discuss the methods and we will run the program. And you can also write these programs in your laptops and run side by side. Okay. So first, I'm writing here the caret add method. Okay. So what's the use of caret methods? Okay. So basically, caret method returns the character located at a specified index. How caret returns the specified number? Okay. So I'm writing here program. Suppose I'm taking one string here. This attack, right? So we have one string. Okay, and we want to know the value of cat add. Okay, so you can see here once I click s dot, so a lot of methods is available. Okay, you can see here a lot of methods. A lot of methods we have in string class. Okay, so we can use these methods in our program. Okay, so one by one we will discuss all of the some of the importance we will discuss. A lot of you can see here. Okay, mostly whatever methods we use. Okay, first is a char at int index. You can see here int index. We need to pass the index value here. Okay, and if you see here, here is the descriptions for the caret. So it returns the char value at the specified index, and index ranges from 0 to length -1. Okay, the first char value of the sequence is at index 0. So once the caret value will be start, the string value index start with the 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. And if the caret value specified the index is a surrogate, the surrogate value is returns. Okay, suppose if the value is negative, if the index value is negative, you can see here, if the index argument is negative or not less than length of the strings, whatever value is available in the string, length of the string, then that not less than, right, then we will get the index out of bound exception here. Okay, so we will click on this and see the output. First, I will write the fourth. You want to know the index number 4. I'm writing here, run the program, and you can see here the value I'm getting here. Why? You can also hear the 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So the number of fourth index, I'm getting the value correct. Okay, suppose the whole of the string counting 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 index number is available in this string. Suppose if I'm taking the 10th, okay, then what will happen? You can see here, you can see here, I'm getting the index 10 out of bounds for length 10, then string index out of bound exception. So we will get the exception. What type of exception we will get? Is the string index out of bound exception. So this is the use of caret and how we can use. So you know very well. The second method, I'm taking here the concat. Okay, so in the concat, suppose we have the string, right? This is the string, and concat first understand what is the meaning of concat. Okay, so the meaning of concatenating means add some more extra string. Okay, we want some more extra string, then at that time we will use the concat method, which is available in the string class. Okay, so suppose we have the string, right? String as equal to analyst data, analyst add just add analyst data. Okay, and s equal to s dot, you can say here s dot concat, right? So I am writing here. Okay, before clicking here, you can see here also concatenates the specified string to the end of this string. If the length of the argument string is 0, then the string object is returned. Otherwise, a string object is returned that represent a character strings. That is the concatenation of the character sequence represented by the string object and the character sequence represented by the argument string. You can see here the examples of this. Okay, so I'm clicking this as and taking some extra value. Suppose for example I'm taking software, some space also, and okay, once I run this program, so you can see here analyst and software. So here we are concatenating two string. First is the analyst and another I am taking adding the software also. And in the same way we can add the multiple strings. We can add some extra string, and we can add the multiple string also. Okay, and suppose, okay, third one, okay, I'm taking the length, okay. So what it means, length method. So length is basically, suppose if you want to know number of character present in the string, then we require the length method. Okay, suppose if we want to we have a string and we want the whatever what is the number, what is the length of that particular string, at that time we need the length method. So suppose we have the string, this is string analyst adda, correct, and we want to know the length. I'm typing here L. You can see here last index, last index, last index. This is length index, right? So once we click on the length, this is int. Int means here whatever value we will return in the output. Okay, so we will return in the output int value, and here you can see here return the length of the string. The length is equal to the number of Unicode in the string. Length is char sequence. Okay, it returns the length of the sequence of the character represented by this object. So once I click here length, so whatever what is the length of that particular string, I will get the number of that string. Okay, I'm going to run this program, and you can see here it represent the 11 number, right? 11. If we count here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11, the total string number is 11, right? How many character is present in this string? 11 character. So this is the int value. Okay. And suppose I'm taking one more method is empty. What does it means? Is empty. So the is empty is to check whether the given string is empty or not. It's for checking the given whatever given string we are representing, that string value is empty or not. So this is the with the help of is empty we can check this thing. I'm taking here the example. Suppose we have the string, right? And at this time s dot s dot is, you can see here, is empty. It gives the boolean value. It means that value is if value is present, it means the value is empty or not empty. If value is not empty, that it will returns the true. And suppose if string is empty, then it will return the false value. You can see here, once we click here, then returns true if and only if length is 0, and specified is if and is empty, right? True is length is 0, otherwise false. At this time you can see here the string is not empty. So what's the output here? We will get the output false in this case, right? You can see here. Suppose I'm just taking here empty string, and you can see here. Okay, one second. Okay, I just right. True. If I given any of the spaces in between, it means the string is not empty. Okay, you can see here I'm not writing here anything, but still string is not empty. Okay, the blank space, it will count the blank space also. So in this case the string is empty. Okay, I hope you understood these things and the methods. So in this class we discussed 4 methods. Okay, write programs, small programs in your laptops. Okay, and understood these 4 methods, and in between when we writing any of the programs, so how we can use these methods. Okay, in the next class we will discuss the next next important methods. Okay, thank you. Bye.